Hello, 7th graders. I promised to give you answers for your get ready for your exam on pages 92 and 93. Let's try to do the listening, which is exercise 2.
Ready for your exam 5. Listening. Exercise 2. Although polar bears can be dangerous, it is polar bears that are in danger. Their icy world is melting and these beautiful animals are now an endangered species. Polar bears live in the Arctic, one of the coldest places on Earth. The temperature there is often below 55 degrees Celsius and the winds blow at an average speed of 30 miles an hour. Polar bears are found in parts of Alaska, Canada, Russia, Norway and Greenland. They live on the ice that covers the Arctic. This is sea ice rather than freshwater ice. The bears live on the edge of the ice, near the water, where they can find food. They cannot live anywhere else. Polar bears are the most dangerous animals in the Arctic. They mainly hunt seals, but they also eat fish, seabirds, and even whales when they can. Their only enemies are humans, who hunt and kill them. But humans are now threatening polar bears in a different way. Climate change is now the biggest threat to the lives of polar bears. As the Earth becomes warmer, the temperature of the sea rises. This causes more and more of the Arctic ice to melt each summer. Arctic sea ice has decreased since the early 1970s. As the ice disappears, so do the animals that the polar bears hunt and eat. And food isn't the only problem. Polar bears are used to swimming between areas of ice to look for food. But as the ice melts, the distances between the areas of ice are much bigger. Polar bears are strong swimmers, but they are now dying in the sea because they cannot swim the increased distances. On the 14th of May, 2008, polar bears were declared an endangered species. There are only around 20 to 25,000 polar bears remaining around the North Pole. If we don't act soon to prevent more of the ice from melting, these amazing animals may become extinct within a few decades.
Alright, so now if you feel the need to listen one more time, just rewind the video and do it. After you listen once again, if you need, just pause the video, take your time, do exercise 2, and then we're going to check. So basically, what am I going to do now? I'm going to give you the answers and, well, you try and check. Okay, so let's move on. The next one we're going to check is exercise 6, use of English. So you needed to do the exam. Here are the answers. Let's move on to page 93. So here we had exercise 7, which was connected to reading. Yeah, and the answers. Let me remind you, art collector, meno kolekcionierius, forgery, kai kažkas yra padirbta, pavyzdžiui, paveikslas, kuris labai gerai suklastoti, kitaip sakant, arba klastojimas, jeigu tai yra daiktavardis. Original, originalus dalykas, painting, paveikslas ir style, stilius. Alright, exercise 8 was do the exam task. Jums reikėjo paskaityti, atlikti užduotį. buvo pasirinkimo variantai, atsakymai būtų tokie. So that's it. Atsakymus pratybose, the answers in your workbooks you can check on your own. You have the answers at the end of the workbook. Well, good luck and see you soon.